In this video, we'll cover the best 3D printers to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best 3D Printers 2022 is Voxelab Aquila S2. Best High Temperature 3D Printer. If you want to print with PLA filament, any competent FDM printer can get the job done. ABS and PETG materials are a bit more demanding, but still usable on a high-quality machine. But if you want to use more exotic materials such as nylon or carbon fiber, you'll need a printer that can get much hotter than the 240-degree cap we see on popular models like the Creality Ender 3 Pro. Able to reach up to 300-degree temperatures thanks to its aluminum nozzle, the Voxelab Aquila S2 can produce gorgeous prints with filaments that other models can't handle. In our tests, it produced a highly detailed print of bench, a boat commonly used as a test model, in nylon. At number 4. Voxelab Aries. Best 3D printer under $300. It can be hard to find a single 3D printer that does everything well, but the Voxelab Aries is an impressive machine that offers high-performance printing at a budget price without compromising on build quality. The Aries is designed to be a beginner-friendly machine, and the semi-automated 3-point bed leveling process means you can be up and printing in less than an hour after opening the box. The Aries features a Core XY motion system, which means the build platform remains stationary during printing and only moves down in the Z direction during layer changes. At number 3. Frozen Sonic Mini 8K. Best High-End Resin 3D Printer. If you're looking for the most precise prints around, the Frozen Sonic Mini 8K is your best choice. This MSLA resin 3D printer sports a 7.1-inch mono LCD screen that operates at 7500 by 3240, which results in a show-stopping 0.22mm XY resolution, the highest on the market. It comes fully assembled and is easy to use, just calibrate and go. It also boasts native integration with both the Chitabox and Lychee Slicer apps. At number 2. Prusa MK3S Plus. Best FDM 3D printer under $1,000. Considered the best 3D printer overall by many aficionados, the Prusa MK3S Plus has received countless industry accolades and awards, and with good reason. The MK3S Plus is a powerhouse 3D printer that combines reliable hardware, feature-rich software, and a support channel that makes the Prusa signature black and orange hardware a common sight in 3D printing farms. The MK3S Plus is based on the i3 platform and has benefited from several generations of incremental upgrades which have resulted in one of the best 3D printers on the market. silent stepper drivers, removable textured build platforms, automatic bed leveling probe, and more. The list of features that come stock on the Prusa Mk3S Plus is certainly impressive. At number 1 of the top 5 best 3D printers 2022 is Creality Ender 3 Pro. Best 3D printer for beginners, general use. If you ask someone involved with 3D printing what their first machine was, there's a good chance they'll tell you it was the Creality Ender 3 Pro. A wildly popular 3D printer, the Ender 3 Pro packs a powerful punch in the form of a low-cost machine that has an almost endless supply of readily available upgrades to adapt it to your specific needs. Whether you want a 3D printer to convert into a laser engraver, a pen plotter, or just a printer to print specialized high-temperature materials, the Ender 3 Pro can accommodate you with no issues. Thank you for watching the top 5 best 3D printers 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our 3D printer buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.